Water, a vast resource, a precious commodity, and a necessity for life everywhere on our planet. You can have too much of it, or too little. It's simply a question of supply. It's a question of being able to use the given quantities in an environmentally sustainable way. It's a question of being smart. In the Western world, the individual consumer spends 170 liters of tap water every day, and in USA, a staggering 250 liters. 40% of this water goes down the drain in our showers. This fact worries an increasing number of authorities around the world. They know they have to act very soon. The question is, how? Now, positive action can be taken. One single simple and surprisingly inexpensive device halves this bathroom consumption without compromising on the comfort of the individual. This means an instant 20% cut in the total water spending. This is Multi-Shower. Developed in Norway, Multi-Shower is designed to significantly reduce the waste of hot, clean and expensive tap water used when showering. Of course, this has been done before, and all shower manufacturers still do this simply by choking the flow of water. The problem is that nobody wants to lose the effectiveness and comfort of a good, hot shower. And if you just reduce the flow, loss is exactly what you'll get. It's much like blocking the gas pedal of your car to save fuel, a trick that no car manufacturer in his right mind would do. Instead, manufacturers make cars that use the fuel more efficiently. Now, it's time to do the same thing with showers. When the inventor, Finn Larsen, developed the Multi-Shower, he had one overriding consideration: maintaining and even enhancing the pleasures of showering. His practical experience was at the sharp end, inventing and selling well-performing low-consumption showers in the 80s. He learned that it was simply not enough that the showers used less water. They had to be as good as, or preferably better than, the old traditional products. They had to deliver more than just cost savings to represent a breakthrough. Most people don't really consider the costs of showering, although they are considerable in most of the world, not only to the individual, but to communities and the environment as well. With this lesson in mind, Finn Larsen had to rethink the shower concept from scratch. No one had done any significant research and development since showers became available around 100 years ago. Finn realized that this old system was unsuited to today's requirements and effectively threw it away. The problems were huge, but the solution was as simple as this and this. Behind this simplicity lies an all-new patented technology and precision engineering with tolerances within 1/100th of a millimeter. The brass nozzle was produced in Switzerland with clockwork accuracy. It took over 2 years to develop the shower itself and an additional 2 to construct the molds. Then, the first showers hit the markets. It was an instant success, first, of course, with professionals. People with a nose for good economy and a concern for the well-being of their guests immediately saw the benefits. Then consumer markets followed. Even in its homeland Norway, well supplied with both water and hydroelectricity, the arithmetic was simple. By replacing the obsolete showerhead with a multi-shower, an investment of some $30, a family would save about $300 a year in water and heating costs. That equals about 50% of the total water bill, while still enjoying the pure pleasure of showering. Let's see what makes this happen. There is no choking of the water in the showerhead. The traditional strainer is gone. The water runs freely until it reaches the nozzle. Then it is pushed to the back and sides into the chamber and pressure builds up. When the pressure exceeds a certain level, the water bounces back and then out of the shower, shaping into large drops with high velocity. The thrust and the shape of the drops turn the water into a perfect medium for the intended purpose, giving you a comfortable and effective shower. This pressure buildup is repeated in pulses about 30 times a second due to the actual properties of water. It's much like fuel injection in an engine. You don't just pour fuel into the machine all the time, but boost it in exactly when it is needed. The resulting pauses between the pulses are what actually save water, half of it to be exact, without compromising the experience and effectiveness of a delightful shower. By twisting the shower head, you can adjust the shower to fit your personal preferences, from little sprinkle to appeasing massage or anything in between. You will get it every day for years to come. Limescale does not deposit in this shower. There are no moving parts to wear, and if, in the extremely unlikely event that the shower ever breaks, the replacement cost is bearable for individuals and hotel management alike. All this means good economy and good ecology every step of the way. Halving the amount of warm water used in showers means an average total reduction of tap water consumption by 20% for the individual, for the family, and for the overall community. Savings of these proportions can be of considerable importance and in some areas absolutely crucial in the logistics of community water supply. Your interests will therefore relate directly to the interests of public services. Today, no other device can generate such huge savings this simply and this cheaply whilst offering such a favorable profit potential. Today, the time is right to become a part of this inevitable future. This is multi-shower. This is taking care of global resources and saving the environment in a practical way, with real benefits to all involved. Multi-shower doesn't just deliver. It delivers in the right way, right now.